recent years, we have witnessed the establishment of regulatory sandboxes to encourage innovation in several countries, including Nigeria, Angola, Ghana, Kenya, Mauritius, Rwanda, and South Africa, among others.
Get connected to a worthwhile experience of learning, collaboration, unique insight, striking business deals, and other amazing opportunities. Continue to deepen relationships across the border with regulators, co-create, co-innovate, build capacity. I have no doubt that the digitalization of all sectors of our economy is a precursor to the further growth of our economy, and as Fintech NGR,
What was the conference?
We're a peer-to-peer learning platform. So far, the conference has been fantastic. We had a very good panel about economic inclusion, which is what we need right now, not just financial inclusion, because we need people to make money before we can even think about opening bank accounts for them.
Interesting, intelligent, a lot is happening.
The conference is very fine. It's really amazing the number of people that have been available here sharing ideas about the fintech and the future of fintech in Nigeria. So I'm glad to be here.
Fantastic. I really enjoyed the panel on insurance this morning. So it's going very well.
You look at CPA, you look at all the fintechs, majority of the fintechs, there's a link to a global economy. Maybe the funding is coming from the US or the promote is from the US.
Agriculture, fintech, innovation, and all of that. So it's been a good experience, and I believe this is good for our economy. It's good for people that are coming up in the fintech space. Excellence and adaptability, which is the theme for this fintech week, has shown a great idea. I mean, you see a lot of companies, just like Soft Alliance. We started off about, will be 20 years in May next year. And you see the journey so far. In technology world, I think the mainstay for everyone, for those that are going into the business, is to ensure that they are ready to play and continue to play in that field. Continue to innovate, continue to bring ideas so that the value that you bring to the to customers will continue to grow. And so resilience at this moment in Nigeria is an important thing for all those startups that are coming up.
Actually, in Nigeria, we already have some pilot startup program for some company. We try it. Once we success for the first batch of the startup, we will push it to the open public.
I've had the regulators remind everyone that compliance is life. I mean, you must be within regulatory confines for you to have a business to run.
We will need to focus on the areas where we can, which is, can we keep the financial infrastructure stable? Can we make sure that it's secure? Can we ensure that our customers are able to get service even though they might be going through hard times?
Lots of room for growth, but there is certainly an enabling environment that is beginning to meet that need. There's a lot of opportunity, I think, in Nigeria when it comes to being able to tap into the masses and to the people who are employed. We're not being able to really help them pull out and maximize when it comes to getting access to credit.
When you say stakeholders, regulators are part of our stakeholders. We are what you call the Regulator Forum. The Regulator Forum brings together regulators and innovators on a quarterly basis. And when I say regulators, it's not just one. CBN, SEC, NDIC, NFIU, NICOM, NITDA, NCC, all to the table, at director level. And then with fintechs, that we can talk about issues that affect the ecosystem. So for us, being able to bring everybody together, connect everybody together is critical to us growing the ecosystem.
They're amazing. I mean, having been part of the FinTech Week from the beginning and seeing the growth and the massive turnout and the number of exhibitors.
dollar increasing, what could be the cause?
And then, we just have to be able to grow our base and be able to export, more of our products and services to be able to earn, more revenue in dollars for the country and for the.
This is very necessary.
Okay, so just to correct you, it's already at 1,200 now to $1. I don't think you know that. $1 is